How to fix cannot sign in maximum number of free accounts have been activated error in iPhone. So this error means the device has already been used to create 3 free iCloud accounts, which is the Apple limit per device, and here is how to fix or work around it. So basically, first is to sign in with an existing Apple ID. You can still sign in if you already have an Apple ID or ask a family member to create one on another device and see next option. So Apple limits each iPhone or iPad to creating only 3 free iCloud accounts for life. After hitting that limit, you cannot create a new Apple ID on that device, but you can still sign in with an existing Apple ID. But if you want to sign in or create again a new Apple ID, then simply tap on the Safari. Then in the search address bar, type down appleid.apple.com and navigate to its official website. Once there, all you have to do is tap on the downward arrow icon at the top right corner of your screen, and there you can see options available such as create new account or sign in. You can choose one according to your preferences. If you want to sign in, then tap on the sign in. If you want to create a new account, then tap on the create a new account. Here I am tapping on the sign in. Then I'll be navigated to enter my credentials in order to sign in appleid.apple.com. Also, factory reset won't help this problem. If anybody is suggesting you to factory reset, then it won't help it. Resetting or restoring your iPhone will not remove this restriction. It is tied to the hardware, not the software. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.